How to find rooms notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find rooms notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and then click this three lines in the top, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications. Now click direct messages and calls. Scroll down until you find rooms, and as you see here you can manage rooms notification settings on Instagram Lite. You can turn it off or just manage it. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.